Hello guys, welcome back here. So this is my second video and today I'm going to share with you an open source app that I find very handy and has saved me a lot of times. So the app I'm talking about is called FMD or Find My Device, and as the name suggests, it's an open source app alternative to Google's Find My Device. And why use this instead, you ask, right? So unlike Google's Find My Device, you don't need any kind of account to locate your device, and it is especially useful for you if you only carry one phone around, just like me. And because you generally need to log in into someone else's device to locate your own phone, and it becomes even more difficult if you have two-step verification turned on. You can't really log into any other device if you lost your own. So instead, here using this app, all you have to do is ask someone for their phone and just simply text your phone with a security pin. And this app will not only let you locate but also control your phone using just simple texts. Even if your data or GPS is turned on, off, you can turn them on using this app. And that is how convenient this app is. So now let me first show you how this works, then I'll show you how to install it step by step and set it up on your phone. So this is the phone I have set it up on. This is how the UI basically looks like. These are all the commands you can send using SMS. But first you have to send your PIN, and only then this app will let you control your phone via SMS from that number. This is how the UI looks. And now let me show you how I can send SMSs from another phone and get this phone's location and various other stuff. So now as you can see, this phone which we have installed this FMD on is over there. Let's say we lost it. Now I have to locate it using simply just SMS, right? Now let me send a simple text, FMD help, okay? Now that phone has received this text. It will respond to me in a while. Okay, so first I think we need to enter the PIN because it shows that FMD temporary access has expired. So I'll send the PIN. I have set the PIN to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's wait. Okay, PIN accepted. Now if we have to turn the Bluetooth on and off, here's the command, camera. We can even delete the data and factory reset our device remotely. We can turn GPS on and off, and we can locate the device. We can even lock it with some message on the lock screen. We can make it ring as well. So let me first show you how we make it ring. FMD ring, right? Let's send. See, this phone has started ringing, right? Now let's stop that. Now, if I want to locate my phone, just send FMD locate GPS. Now, if your GPS is off, then you might need to turn that on first with this command, GPS on. So let's first turn the GPS on. GPS on. Forward. GPS turn on. Now FMD locate GPS. So here, the coordinates are here. So do you see how easy it is to locate your phone and even make it ring? You can even make FMD no disturb. I can turn do not disturb on and off. On. See? You can turn it off as well. FMD. Now let's say your phone is on silent mode, right? Ringer mode. Let's see first what the command is. View all. So these are all the commands you can send. You can even get the network statistics. You can not only locate your phone using GPS, you can also locate it using the network status by determining which tower it's connected to right now. You can lock it. There are a lot of features. You can try them out for yourself. So it's really an amazing app, and it's much, much better than Google's Find My Device. You should try it for your own. Now, let me show you how to install it and set it up, and then you can give it a shot for yourself. Now, back to my previous phone where I have deleted the app and it's not installed anymore. Now, let me show you how you can install it. So, I'll give a link in the description, and if you follow that link, it'll bring you to this page, the F-Droid page of Find My Device. And right now, the latest version available is 0.13.0. So, you just have to scroll down, and here you'll find a lot of versions available. The latest version, you just have to scroll a further bit down and see download APK. You just have to click that, and you will download the APK. Then go ahead and install it. After you have installed it, just open it up, and there are quite a few permissions that we need to give, like grant root permission, camera permission. I won't give this permission because I don't want to end up deleting my data by accident. So this permission, you either need root or ADB for this. However, there's another method which I'll show you in a bit because I'll guide you through the entire process. Right now, first we'll give the easy permissions first. So activate this as device admin app. So see, this app is not allowed this permission because Android 16 is very restrictive, and to be able to access this permission, you need to follow exactly what I'll do right now. You need to go back to home screen and basically bring it over here. Now, if you go into app info, then you will find these three dots over here. Allow restricted settings. There, you have allowed it. Now, if you go back to FMD, you will be able to allow this permission. So grant all these permissions, allow. These are all the permissions it needs to work properly. Allow all the time. And then you need to allow it to read your SMS so that it can actually read that pin and all the commands that you send via SMS. Don't worry, this is an open source app, and all the code for this app is available on the GitHub. Anyone can review it, and hence there's no security issue or privacy concern. So now we're left with just these two permissions, for which we either have to use root or ADB. However, as I said, there's a third way as well. Let me show you how. Just go on the Play Store and install this app called Shizuku. I'll also give the link to this app in the description down below. Now go ahead and install it. You need to have your developer options turned on. If you do not know that, you can search it on YouTube and see how you can turn on the developer options and then open this app. I can also make a video about that. So first of all, you need to pair. For that, you need to give notification access. Then you need to go to get developer options and then scroll down a little below. And then you will get to wireless debugging. You have to turn it on and then pair with pairing code. Then you will see a code over here, and you have to enter it in the notification panel where Shizuku is asking for this code. This Shizuku app, you don't have to keep it installed on your phone. This is just a one-time process to be able to give permission to that FMD app, okay? So now we have enabled Shizuku, and just start Shizuku service. So now Shizuku is running. Now go back to FMD and grant this permission via Shizuku, okay? Grant this via Shizuku as well. So now these permissions are granted as well. The last thing you need to do is allow running it in the background, okay? So you see, everything is set up. All the things are set up. The only thing we need to do right now is just set the pin. Now let me set the pin to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as I previously had set it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 6. Okay, so our pin is set up. Now this app is ready to go. And now you can go ahead and uninstall Shizuku. You don't need that anymore. And you're good to go. This app is successfully set up and running. Now let me show you a demonstration from my other phone again. So here we have this phone again. And let's enter the pin again. FMD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's see if this works again. Pin accepted. FMD, let's make it ring. And here it has started ringing again. And this is how you set this app up. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I'll help you right away. Thank you for your time. Now go check this app out on your own. And I hope it proves really useful to you because it has really proven useful to me. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you.